Alright, so continuing with the assembly, we have the first part of the monkey bars put together. And if we're looking at the picture of a finished one, what I have right now is basically just this one thing right here, but we need another one because we're going to put bars in between it. So there's a trick. I can hold down, let me hit escape. I can hold down shift and click on these and it'll turn blue on my screen. They might turn red on yours possibly. I'll let go of shift, I'll right click, I'll hit copy, then I'll come over here and right click and hit paste. So now I have this assembly put together like that, and the next step in order to make these stuck together, right, because right now they're not, we're going to put bars in between them. So I'm going to go to place, and I know I said the word bars, but it's actually a pole, so I'm going to go to poles, and it's the monkey pole right here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 poles. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 13, 21. So there's 21 there. And you're going to start inserting them into the holes on the structure here. So again, I have this and this. Now I need to put the poles in between each, and I need that little opening faced out away because that's how somebody would walk up, climb this, jump underneath, and then start using the monkey bars. So I can go to constrain, and I am going to use insert. Okay, normally it's on this, so you need to switch it to insert, and you'll see it's instead of blocks you're dealing with cylinders, which is what we're dealing with here. So I am going to click on one of these, so there, and I'm going to choose the bottom one here, and I'm going to choose the outside. So the outside, and I believe it's opposed. So let's do it. I click there, and I change it to aligned. It's going to put it so that it's aligned there. Hit apply, and then I want to align it with the other pole as well. So align, hit apply. So that's stuck in there, but if I hit home, this still moves because you don't have other poles attached. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one over here too, so that way it's all stuck together. So I'm going to constrain and use insert, and I'm going to insert that one. That's align. Do the outside, apply, and again, even though it looks like it's in there for right now, I'm still going to do this. So I click there, and then when I see the shorter dotted line, I know I'm dealing with the holes inside here, so then I click again, I hit apply, and now it's stuck together. So for the rest of these, because it's now stuck together, it won't move because of these two poles. The rest of them really only need one constraint. They just need the one insert and then align, and you can just start aligning them to the outside. Blocking my own way here. What did I do there? them to the top. And we got this done. So even if we try to move a pole, it's not going to move this. We just want to make sure nothing on here will shift around as we move it. It's kind of weird. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna hit save. And this just updates the playground assembly that I already had. So I'm going to continue with this one.